Finance payout annuities. Okay, with the regular annuities, what we've talked about so far with savings annuities, you started with nothing. You deposit money into an account on a regular basis, and you end up with money in your account when it's time to retire, or in the case of college savings plans, send your kids to college. So a payout annuity is different in that you start with money in the account, and this time you're going to pull money out of the account. On a regular basis. Any remaining money in the account still earns interest, and that's kind of a nice feature here. Eventually the account will end up empty. So the money in the account to begin with, the money is in the account to begin with, and so you've put that there. And now that you've retired, you can start drawing on that money. So your annuity becomes a payout annuity, right? So here's a formula for our payout annuity. I'm going to go ahead and move this up a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and write it down, and then you'll want to pause the video. Make sure you have time to write it. Okay, so maybe you see just a little bit of similarities with this particular formula that we did our savings annuity. So in this case, P is the starting amount in the account. That's going to be the principal. W in this case is the regular withdrawal. So that's a regular withdrawal amount. R is the annual interest rate in the decimal form. T is the number of years in which you plan to take the withdrawals. And N is the number of compounding periods within 1 year. So you use the payout annuity formula when you take money from an account on a regular basis every month, quarter, year, etc., and let the rest sit there earning interest.